Wireless charging isn't seen to be the most useful type of charging method for smartphones. Sure, it's nice to not have to deal with a cable and just place your smartphone on top and have it charge. You may even feel like a wizard doing it. That being said, today we are going to review the Anker Powerwave 10-watt wireless fast charging pad, and this is my full review. The box is pretty simple and you get two boxes, the outer casing and the inner one. The inner casing has all the pros and it also has the micro USB cable, and that is definitely not a bummer regarding that. You will get fast wireless charging regardless and you don't have to deal with the cable anyway. So it is a nice and tight fit cable, and there you have the main thing you came for, the Pro wireless charger. And that being said, it is standardly packed and it looks pretty sleek out of the box. I mean, I would be lying if I said I disliked its design, and I really love the matte finish. It is made up of rubber, so it really has a matte finish to it, and smartphones will not slip over due to this, and that's my favorite part of it. It also has an LED indicator to see if the phone is charging or not, and it lights up blue when the phone is charging, so that's a pretty good thing as well. And it is capable of charging all the Qi wireless compatible phones at a standard 7.5 watt charging, but for the Samsung phones, because of the fast wireless charging, and in some Huawei flagships you also get this, you have 10 watt of fast charging, which is faster than the 7.5 watt. And you can always place your phone, and on top of it you can use it on your desk, your working desk, your side table. Or to get fast wireless charging, you will also need a good adapter, and it doesn't come with one, and that's fair for its price. So you have to use a fast charger, just like my Samsung adapter, which comes out of the Samsung Galaxy S9 box, and it is compatible of delivering 10 watts of output with a 9 volt and 2 amps of input, so it's pretty good. It charges my phone at around 2 hours and 20 minutes on fast wireless charging, and I think that's pretty good for a fast wireless charger, to be honest. And I would be lying if I said that it is pretty slow or it is too fast, and it roughly charges between 2 hours and 10 minutes for my phone, but yours might vary. When it comes to the final thing, yes, I would recommend to go for it, because if you're looking for a cheap wireless charger, this one might be it. It is pretty fast and accurate, and it will charge your phone without making it heat, and it also has a rubber finish to it, so your glass phones without a cover will not be disrupted. And also I wanted to mention that I was able to charge my phone even after using a cover or a case, so that's pretty sweet as well. So that was my full review and unboxing of the Anker Powerwave Pad 10 watt wireless fast charger, and I would definitely recommend you to go for it. This is a raise. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.